1.
Oh no! I can't find my mobile.
Well, you had it when we were in the cafe. You were texting your friend.
Oh, yes, that's right. Maybe I left it in there.
Do you want to go back and see?
Oh, but can you phone me first? Then if my mobile's in the cafe, maybe someone will answer it.
Okay. Hey, I can hear it. It must be in your bag somewhere.
No, it's in my jacket pocket.
2.
I'm starving. What time did you ask them to come?
I said to come at 8 o'clock for drinks and then dinner at 8:30.
Well, it's 8:15 now.
Yes, they should be here any minute. They're usually very punctual.
Ah, that must be them.
Oh, hello. Sorry to disturb you. We're collecting for Christian Aid.
Oh, I'm sorry. I make regular contributions.
Who was it?
Somebody collecting money for charity.
Oh.
Honestly, I really think people should phone when they're going to be late. It's very inconsiderate. It's nearly 20 past now.
3.
No. Is that you? It doesn't look anything like you. I didn't know you used to have long hair.
Well, this passport is nearly 10 years old, which reminds me I'm going to have to renew it soon.
Well, you definitely need a new photo. You look really awful.
OK, let's see yours then.
No, you can't see it. I hate showing people my passport photo.
Come on, you've seen mine. Oh, that's not bad. It's a lot better than mine. In fact, I think I prefer your hair as it was then.
4.
So, where did you meet him?
At work. He's one of the designers.
And what's he like?
Oh, he's funny, intelligent.
Yes, but what does he look like?
Oh, just like Pierce Brosnan. Tall, dark and handsome. No, I'm joking. He's got short, dark hair, and he's not very tall, but I think he's really good looking.
5.
What happened? How did it go?
No comment.
Not again. What did you do this time?
Nothing. I mean, nothing wrong. It was really unfair, just because I was going a tiny bit fast in the high street.
Oh, well, you'll just have to take it again. 3rd time lucky.